Dear viewers, today I will teach you how to host static website using Onion Share. To create your own Onion link which can be browsed using Tor browser, and also how to host a file on Onion Share which can be browsed using Tor browser. So let's begin. Once you have installed the Tor browser, you just have to click open and you have to check this box, always connect. Now we are getting connected to the Tor network. Tor means the Onion router. We get connected to the internet using several onions, which are routers. Now we have connected to the Tor network. After that, you open your Onion Share application. Now we see Onion Share is trying to connect. Now we are connected using Onion Share to the Tor network. We need the Tor browser to be running first. Now let us host a website using Onion Share. Let's click plus. It gives us this interface. So first we will try basically to host a website. So for that I have already created a local folder, temp. In that I have a very basic index file, index.html. This is the basic index.html file. This is how it runs on local machine. Now let us go back to Onion Share. We click start hosting and then we click add. We'll add the temp folder which I have saved on the desktop. The temp folder contains index.html and a image file. We will click this box and we will check this box. This is a public Onion Share website, disables private key, otherwise it will ask you for a key. So we have checked both these boxes and we start sharing. Start sharing. After a while we will get an Onion link. Here we got the Onion link. We copy address and go to the Tor browser and enter our link. Let's see. Tor network is usually slow. You may also have to restart onion share if you get a connection timeout. So here we got our website from the temp folder. So this is how we host a website on the Tor network using our own onion link.